Yo, what is happening? What the hell? There is a zombie. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god, guys, I'm so terrified. I'm so terrified of this zombie, guys. Oh my god, wait. Who was that? Oh my god, it's the blonde girl. No, it's not even a girl, bro. It's a boy. It's a blonde boy. It's not even blonde. It's just a yellow minion. Yeah, he just got destroyed, bro. What is bro doing? Bro is trying to team on me. Ain't no way that I'm gonna team on you, bro. What you say? I won't kill you. You were getting targeted. Hey, yo, is that real? Wait, why is bro trying to team on me? Why is bro trying to team me? Is this real, chat? Oh my god, okay, I should run, right? I should actually run. Oh my god! Why is bro not killing me? Why is bro not killing me? Oh my god, it's so terrifying. Where are those arms? Alright. Most scariest thing is to follow the murder. I'm spying on this yellow dude. I think bro has gun? Is bro having gun? I don't see no gun though. I don't see no gun. Where's the gun? Oh, here we go, okay. Sure. What you trying to do? Okay. 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 Oh my god. Yo, oh my god. So close. Oh my god, another close one. Boom. Nope. Alright, fair. Chill. Chill! I said chill. Oh my god, I lost my... Oh my god, I think I'm gonna die. GG. Fierce, bro. Fierce. This is fierce. Oh my god, is that a zombie? Oh my god, is that you? Is that you, Mr. Zombie?
93.
93? What are we talking about?
Max value to over 1,000.
Nah, say you swear to God, bro. GG.
JJ, you know what time it is?
What time is this? Bro just reset his avatar. I think he on his villain arc. Oh my god! No, wait. No, wait! What? Y'all saw that? Holy hitbox.
Yo, you like my swag? I made this item.
Wait, you made those items?
Yeah.
You made the UGC?
Yeah, I can show you my other accounts made by
Oh, that's cool. Green boy.
Wait, look at it. Go to my profile and look at it.
Alright, let me see. You made all of this?
Yes.
Hold on. Oh, wait, they're so nice. Damn. Yo. Even the green bulk? How did you not get banned with the green bulk?
Oh my broken computer.
Broken computer? Yo, how am I innocent? Guys, I'm not an innocent little boy. Like, I have horns. I'm bad. I'm bad guy. I'm bad purple guy. Oh my god, he's sheriff. That one guy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I think. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Juke. Oh my god, bro got juked. Bro. No. Almost with the gun, Joe. This guy swag like me. All purple. Bro, die. Oh my god. Oh, shoot. I think you made her mad, bro.
I'm a dreamer.
Innocent? Are we serious? Who? Who did that? Oh my god, who did that? Oh, there is the gun. Someone took it. Damn. Oh! Knife on my throat. Someone is about to die. Dang. Okay, I cannot see him though here. Damn, I cannot see him. Okay, like this, I can see. It's time, it's time. Ooh. Oh my god, he's coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. No, 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 here, bro. No, here, don't come here. Who it is? Why is bro fighting everyone? Why is bro fighting me? Don't fight me! Oh my god! Why is bro fighting me? Why you bully me? Why you bully me? Oh my god! Why you bully me? All right, muted. Get muted. Chat, am I muted? Am I muted? What bro say? A slender with no tender. Yo, I'm stuck with the murder, bro. I'm stuck with the murder. What is Blood doing? What is Blood doing? The murder just hanging out, hanging around with us. I gotta be serious right now, bro. Oh my god. Yo. Where is it from? Where the kill from? Okay, here he comes. Oh, I thought bro was dead. Free round. I'm not even sure if I would shoot you.
No one's gonna kill you. Calm down.
Bro. I don't think the sheriff knows it's you. Oh my god, bro is lagging. That's why he is not even killing. That's probably why he's not killing everyone.
Yo, put me in the machine. Alright, hit the button.
Yo, put me on. No, why you leave me alone, bro? Why you leave me alone?
I got it last time.
Bro, just a big head. Wasted round, bro. I'm gonna just collect coins. Tutum sahur. Oh, bro just died with a machine. Oh my god. No way. Why you dead, bro? Can we get something? No, bro. Come on. I'm so tired to get innocent. I think I know who it is. Yep. Already found the sheriff. Oh my... Oh. Come on, dude. Why am I so unlucky? Sheriff got destroyed. Oh. He sees me? He sees me? He doesn't see me? Where is the gun? Yo, where is the gun? Where did the gun go? And where the martyr go? Yo, where the gun is? Genuinely. Oh my god. Oh my god, get dodged. Oh my god. Oh my... Bro, the gun just disappeared.
Can I offer for your harvester?
Oh my god. Yo, what's a harvester? Yo, hello?
Can I offer for your harv?
What's a
Harvester.
Which one?
Green one.
The green one? Let me see if I have the green one. I don't see it in my... Do you... Bro, I cannot troll, bro. Do you want the blue one or the green one? Oh my god, oh finally, dude. Finally. Power haste, bruh. Haste is good. Haste is good enough. 3, 2, 1, bang. Alright. What? 3, 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. Come on, dude. Alright, I'm gonna need to wake up. Hey, yo. Oh my god. There is still a lot of people missing. Okay, we got the gun. We got the can. But guess what, though? I'm a little camper. I'm gonna camp. Because I'm a camper. I'm a little camper. Alright, I need to go back before he gets the actual gun. Why you bullying me? Dude. Nah, this guy just... Okay, I'm gonna need to full send this, bro. Okay, I see. Yeah, he's dead. Come out. I know you're there. You can just come out. Alright, bye.
Not you, him. What did I do, bro? Back, right, left, back, go front, back, right, left.
Can you do the greedy?
Go front, back, left.
Oh, plus. Oh. What? Hi? Who's that? Wait, who's this Rusty Mafia boss? I don't know this guy. Da-da-ba-dap-doo-doo. We might have teamers. We might have teamers, maybe.
I want to shoot.
Oh my god. Not anymore. Goo goo gaga. Yo, maybe those are teamers. Maybe.
Were you the one trading me earlier?
We're not inside that trade. Bruh. GG. I see you, bro. I see you. I found you. I'm gonna kill you. I found you. I'm about to pull out my knife. Bad. Hello. Are you trying to glitch on the wall?
What?
Are you trying to glitch on the wall or are you aura farming?
I'm trying to phase on the wall.
Oh my god. Good luck.
Can you help me?
I can help you push you. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, here you go.
Okay, wait.
Am I helping you?
I
I'm definitely helping you, bro. I'm the murderer.
I got scared.
We are the murderer. Wait, guys.
Oh my gosh.
If she gets killed, we all get killed. All right. Oh my god. Yo.
How do you
Keep my gun, I hate you so much.
How do you get gems? How do you get gems?
You have to pay River.
Robux.
I'm tired. Why do you have to pay Robux for just gems?
Because MM2
Do you think MM2 is greedy?
Come on, I have no Robux. Watch this. I'm turning into a dog.
What is happening?
There's no way.
What did you just do? Yo, can I
What am I hearing, bro? I need to plug my ears.
Yo, what is this server, bro? Oh, shoot. Okay, I need the X-ray, bro, because this map is way too big. That's me. It's me. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god, bro. This juke girl, bro. She's juking my... I'm crashing out. Oh my god, I'm so bad, bro. I'm so bad.
No.
Someone got the gun. Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh, that was perfect. That was so perfect. Mini avatar. I know where you want to run. I know exactly where you want to run. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Boom. Oh my god, can I get to this guy? Oh, I see this. Bang. Okay. You cannot run from me, bro. Oh my god. Okay, someone just dropped. He's about to go out. He's about to get out. So I can just glitch out. Right? Oh my god. I don't remember how to glitch. So I'ma just do the normal way. Normal way. Okay, I see him. I see him. He doesn't see me. But oh my god. Where's the last one? Oh, there are 2 left. Thank god I have X-ray, bro. Y'all should always use X-ray in those big maps. Always. What are they doing? There was someone here. I swear. I swear, bro. I swear, speed. What? Yo, I'm tripping. Yo, I'm tripping. Okay, last one. 10 seconds. 10 seconds to the tick. 10 seconds. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker.
Where? 11 seconds on the clock yet, bro.
What? Why you bully me? Oh my god.